Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your previous history or your previous searches in ChatGPT. As you can see, I have here previous creations or conversations that I had made with ChatGPT. And to hide this, all you need to do is go and click on Close Sidebar. And when you click on it, the sidebar will disappear. And from here, you can begin your conversation and your chats with a clean window, without any disruption or without showing the previous history. To bring your history back or the sidebar back, all you need to do is click on it and then click on Open Sidebar, and all your previous history or all your previous conversations will be exposed. Go and click on one and then it will be opened and you'll be good to go. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.